upon a good land now. I'm from Madinaba. As you people can see, the Lagos State government wants to take over the trade fair where our Igbo brothers are doing their business. Asanda, Malogo Market, Jewelry Market, all the markets have already locked down. The Lagos State government wants to take over all the markets. As you can see, our brothers are doing the peaceful demonstration. So we want to hear our voice. Let our certain governors, our certain senators, our certain heads of representatives, let them come to our end. As you can see, everywhere is locked. So, thank you. I will soon join you.
We no go agree.
Hello. What is going on?
You can see what is going on.
Yeah.
You don't need to ask me what is going on.
So,
We are in a foolish country, Nigeria.
really?
A stupid country without law. Country we don't know the value of human being. Country doesn't know anything about woman. Understand?
Yeah.
Look at what is going on. They want to take over our property.
What the message you have to give our Igbo brothers?
The only message I'm trying to give our Igbos in Nigeria, the Biafran Igbos, what I mean Igbos, the Biafran Igbos, is for them to organize themselves. Since this land, they reject us as one Nigeria, then the best thing for us to plan ourselves to live in this country and have our own country. That's called Biafran land.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
They don't feel work. Right. We are not what? Hey! We don't agree.
Yoruba want the one from Malaysia market.
Since how many years? DJ Grace. You don't take Lagos Island finish. You know feel work. This one are federal. Focus. Not be your brother. Don't enter finish. You don't take Lagos Island finish. Take other place finish. Walk out take it.
a good land now. I'm putting more than that. As you people can see, the Lagos State government want to take over the trade fair where our Igbo bros are doing their business. Akwanda, Malogo market, Juarez market, all the markets have already locked down. The Lagos State government want to take over all the markets. As you can see, our brothers are doing the peaceful demonstration. So we want to hear our voice. Let our Southeast governors, our Southeast senators, our Southeast House of Representatives, let them come to our end. As you can see, everywhere is love. So, thank you. I will soon join you.